Greetings. My name is Mario Abreu, retired Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens gardener and naturalist. I'd like to welcome you to the Mendocino Coast Botanical Gardens 47-acre flower land to the sea, located just south of Fort Bragg, west of Highway 1, and ends here at the northern coastal bluff scrub plant community. Bluff plants tend to be low growing to adapt to the constant salty ocean winds and dry summers. Mount Promontory, an ancient sea stack on the land, is the highest point on this bluff. Some of the plants that bloom here on this coastal bluff include the seaside daisy, sea pinks or sea thrift, beach poppies, dudleya or what we call bluff lettuce, goldfields, lupins, blue-eye grass, and the Mendocino Indian paintbrush that is also a protected plant, along with a few other rare plants that we have here at the gardens. Rare and common plant species can be found here in their natural habitat, and there are about 100 species that have evolved or naturalized on this coastal terrace. Here within the coastal bluff plant community, there are a broad range of colorful native plants that bloom along the bluff, both in the spring and summer seasons, attracting thousands of visitors each year for the show. Many birds, animals, and pollinators also visit this plant community. From this viewpoint, the California gray whales can be seen off the coast each year, November through May, traveling to and from their breeding site in Baja. Bring your binoculars, it's a great activity. We hope that you learned something new and will come visit us soon. For more information on coastal bluff species, go to our Botanical Gardens website.